What's up guys, Y2K back with another video. Today we're going into a haunted forest. Now it's kind of a local haunted forest, so we can't tell you all the details of where it is. But I can confirm there's been a suicide and 2 murders in this forest. So we've come prepared today. We're going to try and camp out here and see what's going to happen.
Alright, we found our spot here. There used to be a homeless camp around here, so I think this would be a great spot for us to take refuge tonight. Let's get it.
9 person, eh?
Need a hotel. Alright, me and Cameron just finished the tent. It took us probably like 5 minutes to build. But that Chris guy is just no help. He just sat there while he's drinking a beer, and it's like, come on, like, I thought we were a team.
You know, if a murderer comes or wolves come, Chris is first. We're throwing him into the heat of the battle there, because he did not help with the tent 1 second. Look at him. Right now he's sitting in the tent having a beer. We just set it up, man.
Yeah, they did a pretty good job. This is a great time. Everyone's putting in a nice, decent shift right now. Brian, Cam, and Tay doing one hell of a job. I think everyone's pretty happy right now.
Alright, so we didn't bring any food, so the goal is to go hunting. And my goal is to probably catch like bison, a turkey, or maybe a cow for meat. Maybe we'll have burgers tonight. We'll see how it goes. Come out, wherever you are. Did you hear that? Guys! I caught a cow!
No fucking way. Dude, let's go, we're eating tonight.
It eats tonight.
So Chris hasn't really been doing much, so we gave him the job of cooking up the burgers. Just one problem, I forgot utensils, condiments, and buns. And that was my only job. So we're eating burger patties.
Looks pretty good. Must go.
Did you eat this with your fingers?
I mean, it's not a bad burger. Got some beer flavoring, but...
Hey, Joe, bring beer, batter, fish, and chips. Same thing.
We got no plate, so I had to use cardboard.
Man, they did a pretty good job at taking down that bison earlier for these meals. They did a pretty good job at cooking them too.
He burnt the shit out of mine. Okay, so we're currently going into the woods. It is really cold, but we gotta find something out here. Let's go.
You sure you want to enter?
These woods are creepy, bro. Look at this. I can't even see. Nah, these woods are creepy, bro.
Remember me? Ah! It's got me! It's got me!
Yo. You actually made my heart drop there for a second. Yo, I swear I just heard brushing up there, bro. Did you guys hear that or am I tripping?
Hear what?
Your money up, not your funny up.
No, I don't.
Dude, I heard shit in those bushes, bro. Yo, I'd shit myself if we saw like raccoon eyes or something like that just pop up. Yo, did you hear that?
Oh, yo.
Cold, bro. It is cold. Stay closer.
Scared. I don't like this right now. Dude, what the fuck is that?
Alright, dude, we have to turn the ISO up on the camera, bro, but, dude. Nah, bro. Dude, that was like some like sort. He's already going.
Yo, hey, yo, wait for me.
Yo. Safe place, get to the tent, bro.
Oh. Yo, you think this is following us?
Yo. There's a ghost in me, bro.
Yo.
I'm possessed. I'm possessed. I'm possessed. Come here, boy. He's already in
Hey,
the
yo, where'd it take him?
Yo. Tay?
Tay, you
You
alright?
possessed? Yo, what is that, bro? Is that a ghost? Oh my god! Hey, yo,
Get off! It's me! It's me!
Oh, it's just a... Oh, we're good. We're good. Dude, what the fuck was out there, bro?
I don't know.
That was like some ritual shit. Dude, what the hell?
I'm not going back out there. No thanks.
Not a chance. Yo, like, I swear, what the fuck was that ritual shit? Like, you, dude, I swear, I heard like sticks moving and stuff too.
Yeah, it's
Like, that was nuts.
crazy.
That was nuts, bro. This place is scary as shit.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Yo, what the fuck?
The fuck was that, bro?
Did you guys hear that? What the fuck was that?
It's getting pretty late.
I hope we survive tonight. If we don't, remember us.
We're gonna head to bed now. Like, we saw some weird ritual shit and like hit a lot of shit in those woods. So I'm sketched right out, bro. Like, I think we should go to bed, bro.
Yeah.
So, let's head to bed.
Yeah.
Yo, that was creepy as shit.
Why did I agree to this?
Hey, yo, can you stop touching my ass, bro? I'm trying to sleep, dog. Yo.
I'm just trying to get the morale back up.
Socks on or socks off?
Socks on, of course. It means it's not gay.
Something wrong with that?
No, nothing's wrong with that. I'm just saying, you know. Dude, can you fuck off?
What's
Let's go
wrong
to
with you?
bed, bro. Oh my god.
Sorry. Yo guys, wake up. I think I'm hearing stuff.
Man, go the fuck back to bed.
I'm not joking.
We're just hearing
Fuck
things.
off.
Guess I'm tripping.
Hey, yo, nah.
What was that?
No.
why'd
I
you say
told you I wasn't tripping.
Nah, bro.
Fuck.
Let me in.
What the fuck was that, bro? No.
Shit.
So we just go back to bed.
Yo, I'm hearing shit, dog. What the fuck was that, bro? Yo! Are you fucking kidding me, Tay? Alright. It's currently 6:34 a.m. Thursday, November 10th. The guys are still sleeping, but we actually survived, so. We survived it.
My back.
We survived, bro. We survived. Wake up. Let's go.
Yo.
We survived.
Nice.
Alright, it's currently 7 a.m. I think around there. And the guys brought sleeping bags, but they didn't tell me to bring sleeping bags. So all I had was a freaking emoji blanket. I thought we were all cuddling tonight, but I guess not. We survived, thank God.
Alright, it's currently 7 a.m. I am dead tired. I'm not used to waking up this early. We didn't bring a rain cover for the tent just because it wasn't supposed to rain and the sun was just shining in the whole time. Tay had an idea to sleep beside each other all night to stay warm, even though it's a 9-man tent. You know, we took up 1/4 of the tent and we still insisted on sleeping beside each other. I don't know what's wrong with him, but
Man, I had the best sleep ever last night. Friggin' boys were keeping each other warm. Morale's never been higher.
I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me.
Yo, what's that sound?
hey, yo, don't. You're not supposed to show the houses, bro. Chill.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Yo.